and reforms, post-revolution expectations, organized by Dhaka Law Review. I am Arman Hussain, the editor-in-chief of Dhaka Law Review. Let me introduce you to all the Dhaka Law Review. First, established in 2013, Dhaka Law Review is the first kind of its law journal in Bangladesh, edited and managed by a cohort of Dhaka University law students. It aims to serve two purposes: to contribute to the legal scholarship and to train law students by providing writing, editing, and administrative exposure. The Dhaka Law Review holds public lectures to present cutting-edge research on topical issues before the widest possible audience to provoke discussions and debate. It also manages a blog with contributions from academicians, practitioners, as well as law students from both home and abroad. We gather here at a pivotal moment in the history of Bangladesh. After 15 years of enduring the misrule of a former fascist regime, the judiciary played a complex and often controversial role in upholding and legitimizing that regime. With the fall of this fascist government on August 5, 2024, we now find ourselves at the beginning of a new era, one filled with the hope of genuine change and justice for all. As we discuss the path forward today, our focus will be on how we can ensure true judicial independence, free from political influence, and what reforms are necessary to establish a fair and just legal system. These reforms are crucial not only to restoring public confidence, but also to shaping a future where the judiciary serves as an unwavering guardian of democracy and individual rights. Throughout the seminar, we will hear from esteemed and distinguished legal academicians, practitioners, and who will share their insights on how we can achieve a judiciary that upholds the principle of justice, equality from their respective positions. We will explore the challenges that lie ahead and opportunities for meaningful reforms that can transform our judiciary into an institution that truly serves the people. At this moment, I would like to request my co-host, Rizwana Rushi, who is also managing editor of Dhaka Law Review, to proceed with our further segments.